Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. So several months ago I bought this Einhell 18v cordless brushless sander. So in this video I'll be doing an unboxing, testing and a review of this tool. So here is the Einhell cordless rotating sander. The model is TP-RS18/32LI-BL Solo. So this is the tool only bare bones version. This one doesn't come with a battery included, and it uses the 18-volt power exchange battery range. It says on it, German design, quality by Duo Design, the industrial design company. And this is a brushless model, and it says on the box, pure power brushless, 25% more power, 50% more endurance, 100% lifetime, so it's supposed to last twice as long, I'm assuming, and it has a 10-year warranty. And on the side of the box it tells you that it's 18 volts, brushless, 6 speeds, so 6 electronic speeds, and it takes a 125mm diameter sanding disc. So now let's open up the box and take a look what's inside. In the box you get the sander itself, manual, dust collection box. There's a handle to put on the device, and you also get some free sanding discs, and you get a total of 3. You get a 120 grit, an 80 grit and a 60 grit. So let's start off by quickly adding one of the discs. It's got like a hook and loop velcro system on the bottom here, and you can match up all the holes to get everything nicely aligned. Simple as that. Now this one comes with a handle, and I'm assuming that's so that you can use this on a wall. So instead of just on horizontal surfaces where it's down like this, you can use it this way up, and then you can use that handle to control the sander. So the handle goes on the front here. It's quite tight. Nice tight fit. The little bolt goes through, and it's got a nut on the other end that you can tighten up with your thumb. So no tools required here, and that will give you a handle when you're working in a vertical position, or just if you want to get 2 hands on the machine. So the dust collection box is a push fit. It just pushes on the side here like that, and that is basically it for the setup. Just need to get a battery added and give it a test. So here's a close-up look at the sander. It's nice and lightweight. It says brushless here. It's got a nice comfortable rubber grip on the top, adjustable speed settings here from number 1 up to number 6. It has a rubberized cover to protect the on and off switch from dust. You've got that nice front handle, and over on the other side we've got the dust collection box. So it's not a bag, it's a box, and it has like a built-in filter in here, and the filter can be removed by unscrewing the end. So this can all be cleaned out, the box can be emptied, and then this can be put back on, and it has a hole sort of running through the middle of it here to allow air to flow through. So a nicely designed filter. It'll be interesting to see how that works. But all in all, a very nice looking, nice feeling cordless sander. So now let's add a battery, turn it on for the first time and see how it sounds. I'm putting it on setting number 1 to start with. Very quiet on number 1. and when you stop the machine it stops very quickly. Okay, so that is about it then for this video. So my final thoughts on this sander. Well, I've wrote down a few things to talk about here. Starting off with the quick brake stop. I really like that feature. It stops almost immediately after you turn it off, so you don't have to wait for it to slow down before you put it back on a workpiece or a workbench. It will stop immediately and you can put it straight down. I really like that feature. It being brushless, the battery life seems to be very good. It's the best battery life I've experienced in a cordless sander to date, so I'm very pleased with that. Low vibration, it doesn't seem to have too much vibration when you're using it. It's quite comfortable to use, and I'm just comparing it to other ones that I've used, other cordless sanders. Variable speeds, that's really useful. You can slow down, you can start off slow, see how much you're removing, then work your way up depending on the type of sandpaper you're using and what you're trying to sand down. The Velcro stick is nice and strong, so the pads don't tend to come off after a bit of use. The front handle, I really like this front handle. It's good to just carry around, as you can see. Makes it easy to carry around, and it's also good if you want to use it on a vertical surface. I've not done that yet, but you can imagine you don't want to just be holding it like this. You want to get two hands on it so you've got better control. So that's a nice feature too. And also the dust box works very well, surprisingly. It picks up a lot of dust, so if you're using this indoors and you don't have dust extraction, you can pick up a good amount of sawdust with this dust box, and it's got that filter inside it, easy to clean out and then put back. So very good again. All in all, I think it looks good, I think it performs well, and I'm glad I bought this. I'll be using this for quite a while to come. Let me know what you think. If you're interested in this product, I will leave my Amazon associate link down in the description box, and if you buy through that, I'll receive a small commission at no extra cost to yourselves, and that helps the channel out. So if you found this video useful, please remember to like and also consider subscribing for more DIY related videos, and as always, thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next time.